Hi there, I'm Dr. Nevaeh.
And I'm Dr. Hockley. We are here on behalf of Valley Children's Healthcare to talk about exercise, why it's important, and how it affects kids' health.
There are so many reasons to exercise regularly, such as better attention and memory, which means doing even better in school, building strong muscles, and improving heart and lung health so kids can play at their best in their free time.
Exercising doesn't just help you now, but also affects your future health. It also reduces the risks of preventable diseases, including type 2 diabetes, obesity, high cholesterol, and blood pressure. So the question is, how much exercise is enough? In general, kids and teens should try for at least 60 minutes of exercise per day. The other thing to consider is the level of exercise intensity. How do we know if what we're doing is enough?
Exercise should be a mix of moderate and vigorous intensity. On a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is sitting and 10 is the highest effort possible, moderate exercise is 5 to 6 and vigorous exercise is 7 to 8. We should aim for moderate intensity on most days. So a tip, physical signs to look for in kids to gauge their level of activity include faster heart rate and breathing that is a little heavier than normal.
There are plenty of ways to make exercise fun and manageable for all ages. For preschool-aged children, or 3 to 5 years old, activities can include tag, follow the leader, playing at a local park or playground, and even dancing. Here's a tip. Physical activity can be done all at once or broken up throughout the day, so consider all movement your kids enjoy from sunrise to sundown.
For older kids, 10 to 19 years old, some exercise ideas include brisk walking, swimming, and strength training exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, or yoga. Also consider games that require movement and even chores around the house. Another tip, assign kids household chores that involve greater movement, like taking the dog for a walk or a run, and even mowing the lawn. It is an easy way to get some things checked off your to-do list and give your four-legged friends some extra attention too.
Let's do a quick recap. 60 minutes of exercise for everyone, every day, or at least most days is recommended. Try to aim for that moderate level of exercise intensity as often as possible. Regular exercise not only helps you feel better now, but helps kids with their long-term health. Remember not to worry too much about how they exercise. All that matters is that they do.
And most importantly, make sure that they are safe and remember to always have fun.